Statistics questions are some of the most common and most manageable problems on the SAT. If you know a few core formulas and concepts, you can answer these questions quickly and confidently. In this lesson, you'll learn the mean, median, and mode, range and standard deviation, interpreting tables and graphs, scatter plots and line of best fit, two-way tables and SAT shortcuts and traps. Part 1 is the mean. The mean is the average. The formula is mean equals sum of values over number of values. Let's use the data set. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The sum is 30, and there are 5 values, so the mean is 6. A common SAT shortcut is working backward. If the mean is 12 for 4 numbers, then the total sum is 12 times 4, which equals 48. Part 2 is median and mode. The median is the middle value when numbers are in order. Here is the list: 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. The middle value is 7, so the median is 7. If there is an even number of values, you average the 2 middle numbers. Now the mode is the value that appears most often. For this list, 2, 3, 3, 5, 7. The mode is 3. Part 3 is the range, which measures spread. Range equals maximum minus minimum. 4, 5, 8, 10, and 14. The range is 14 minus 5, which equals 9. Part 4 is standard deviation. On the SAT, you usually compare data sets rather than calculate. Values clustered near the mean have a smaller standard deviation. Values spread out have a larger standard deviation. Here, both sets have mean 5, but set B is more spread out. Part 5 is scatter plots and correlation. Positive correlation means as X increases, Y increases. Negative correlation means as X increases, Y decreases. No correlation means there is no clear pattern. Part 6 is the line of best fit. This line estimates the trend of the scatter plot. You might use it to predict a value or see if a point is an outlier. Here is a simple best fit line. Part 7 is two-way tables. These compare two categories. SAT questions often ask for joint probability, conditional probability, totals, or percentages. Always read row and column labels carefully. Part 8 is histograms and box plots. Histograms show frequency distribution across intervals. Box plots show the minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum. Part 9 is common SAT mistakes. Avoid forgetting to order numbers for the median, mixing up mean and median, misreading graph axes, and confusing spread with center. Part 10 is SAT speed strategies. Memorize mean and range formulas. For standard deviation, think more spread means larger. Use totals to work backward, and always read charts carefully. Today you learned mean, median, and mode, range and standard deviation, scatter plots and correlation, two-way tables, and graph interpretation. In the next video, we'll cover probability and counting. Follow for more SAT math lessons and proven strategies.